Welcome to Grammar Practice English Course Online 38. Today's grammar points: adverbs and spelling of adverbs. Let's learn how to spell and when to use adverbs. Spelling of adverbs. Many adverbs can be formed from adjectives by simply adding ly. These rules will help you form and spell adverbs correctly. Basic rule: I add ly, except for full, fully, we do not need 3 L's. Quickly, suddenly, cheaply, slowly, correctly, wrongly, specially, nicely, politely, literally. If the adjective ends with a consonant followed by able, we need to replace the final E with y on its own. Terribly, comfortably, probably, gently, truly, wholly, duly, horribly, nobly, idly. When an adjective ends in y, you replace the y with I and add ly. Angrily, easily, luckily, happily, crazily. When an adjective ends in ic, you add ally, except for public, publicly, which is commonly misspelled. Basically, tragically, economically, pathetically, ironically, realistically, enthusiastically. Some adjectives already end in ly. You will simply use the adjective in a noun group, such as in a friendly way, in a friendly fashion, in a friendly manner. Not all adjectives can be transformed by adding an ending. Good, well, fast, fast, late, late, daily, daily, high, high, hard, hard. Let's look at adverbs. An adverb is a word describing actions. Adverbs describe verbs, adjectives, other adverbs, or a way something is done or happens. Adverb is commonly abbreviated adv. Adverbs answer the questions how, where, when. Adverbs are used before adjectives and after verbs. He is very quick before an adjective. He speaks very quickly. It is before an adverb. He speaks very quickly. Very is after another adverb. He speaks quickly. Quickly is after a verb. He speaks well. Well is after a verb. He lives there. There is after a verb. Tomorrow. He leaves tomorrow. Tomorrow is after a verb. Some words are used both as adjectives and adverbs. Daily. I work daily. Adverb. My daily tasks include adjective. fast. I speak fast. Adverb. He is a fast learner. Adjective. Late. I sometimes arrive late. Adverb. The bus is late. Adjective. I work hard. Adverb. The exercise is hard. Adjective. That's it for today.